Zhongshan Smartweigh Packaging Machinery Company Limited is professional in manufacturing auto weighing and packaging machinery and offers smart automation factory turnkey solution. Exporting over 50 countries, 80% for exporting, 20% for domestic market. Annual production capacity is over 1,200 machines per year. 8 skilled after-sales service standby to offer positive and professional service for all customers all over the world. Sales and engineering team always offer professional solution according to different customers' requirements. All machines will be old age testing 7 days times 24 hours before shipment to make sure running perfectly in customer production. As a high-tech enterprise with many patents, we focus on R&D to create new technology service different products. We are strongly in fresh meat, sticky production, auto weighing, and packing solution. Zhongshan Smartweigh Packaging Machinery Company Limited should be your smart way to get the smart automation factory. Adhering to the business principle of mutual benefits, we have had a good reputation among our customers because of our perfect services, quality products, and competitive prices. Reasonable price, trusty quality, and high-quality service are our everlasting principle. We warmly welcome customers from domestic and abroad to cooperate with us for common success. Our company always adheres to the principle of providing customers with satisfactory products. Here, invite customers from all over the world to visit our company and work together for a brilliant future.